and gentlemen, this is the trophy for 3x3 NBC Nepal Basketball Championship, Rise of the Legend. And we have to give it up to Idea Pixel Private Limited for expertly managing this event and this beautiful trophy as well.
So now the match is about to begin. 3x3 Nepal Basketball Championship 2025. Rise of the Legend Edition 2. So now the both teams are all set to begin the match. And now Pakistan rivals have the ball position and they are set to start the game. Kalimullah to Zayan. Takes the two-pointer, not being able to convert there, but he gets his own rebound. And there's a reaching foul by Mavindra Bhandari. The team having a small size should really be careful with the fouls. And here he gets the easy layup. Zain Hassan Khan. Shreyas to Mavindra. He takes the two-pointer and he converts. Kalimullah using the screen. Defensive seizure over there. And there's the foul again by Sarish Pradhan now.
Times Stimples 2.
They have to be careful, times A, with the falls as they are undersized. Not being able to convert that layup. Kalimullah, Sarish to Mavindra. Mavindra driving in, Sarish Pradhan. And there he gets the fall, able to draw the fall. They are the students of Samriddhi College, the supporters of Nepal basketball. And there's this play substitution. Manish Kesi replacing Shreyas Bahadur Shah. Sarish Pradhan converting the first one. So this is his fifth free throw conversion back-to-back today in today's game. And this is the sixth one, including the semi-final. Kalimullah taking the two-pointer there. And he converts. Manish Kesi to Sarish. He is really open there, but not being able to convert this one. And there is the foul call. This is the different format of the game, basketball 3x3.
Pakistan rivals Team Falls 2.
And this gets really physical compared to the full court 5-on-5 game. Mavindra Bhandari to Sarish. Manish, he'll be trying to use his height. Tara ball ko control gumanu pugeka chan Manish. Kalimullah. Then easy left-handed layup there. Sarish Pradhan making the two-pointer. Then to Wahab. And he loses the control of the ball. Mavindra Bhandari with the ball. And he takes the two-pointer, not being able to convert there. Kalimullah driving in. A good defense there by Mavindra Bhandari. Sarish Pradhan showing some handles there, driving in, and a kick out. He has to rush for the shot. Mavindra not being able to convert. Offensive ball to Manish. Not being able to convert again. Kalimullah to Wahab. Open two-pointer. And he makes the two-pointer. Manish Kesi driving in. And he draws the foul. You can see that on the replay as well. Manish Casey.
Pakistan Rivals, Team Falls 3.
So, not being able to convert, but the ball is still with Times. Manish to Sadish. The open two-pointer. Not being able to convert. Then. And a good steal there by Manish Casey. Driving in, Manish turns up and gets the layup. Kalimullah takes, no, he passes. Then driving in, and the shot clock by Manish Casey there. Mavinder Bhandari checks in, replacing Satish Pradhan. The match officials consulting with the match commissioner there. There's a bit of confusion. The officials, they are still trying to convince the players. Okay, now Manish with
Pakistan
the ball now.
Rivals, Team Falls 4.
So yes, playing a little physical, and he draws the foul. Gets the and one. Good physical game there by Shreyas Bahadur Shah.
Pakistan Rivals, Team Falls 5.
See that in the replay. Kalimullah extending his body forward and making the body contact. Maybe that is the reason why the official called a foul on him. Shreyas not being able to convert, but he gets his rebound. And now he converts. There's the foul call.
Times, Team Falls 3.
Kalimullah there. Using the screen and high pass to Zain. Using his size, and he converts. Manish getting a little physical there. And the foul call against Team Pakistan rival.
Pakistan Rivals, Team Falls 6. Flag on. Timeout.
So timeout has been called. So with that foul,
Timeout by Pakistan Rivals.
the team foul of Pakistan rivals is 6. And now every foul they commit will give 2 shots to their opponent. Times A must try to get that advantage. During the start of the match, Times A were early to commit the fouls, but now Pakistan rivals are in foul trouble. So this Pradhan with the ball. And he takes, no, he fakes. And there's a good steal there by Kalimullah. Zain with the ball. And there's the blocking foul by Mavinder Bhandari.
Times, Team Falls 4.
Kalimullah to Zain. Again, the same kind of defense by Mavinder Bhandari there. Leaning his body forward.
Times, Team Falls 5.
Mavinder Bhandari getting out of his cylinder, leaning his body forward. And now, Kalimullah with the ball. He drives, turns around, but loses the ball control there. But he gets the ball, but not being able to convert. Sadis to Manish. Turns around. Kick out to Shreyas. Now to Sadis. He drives and pulls up. And he converts the basket right in time. Kalimullah to Zain. Using his size, he converts. Sadis taking the control of the game. Manish driving in. Kick out to Sadis. Is open. Effects, drive, pulls up. And he converts again right on the buzzer. Zain loses the ball control. And there's a shot block by Sadis Pradhan. Sadis wide open. Not being able to convert. Kalimullah to Zain. And he converts. Getting the rebound there. Zain to Wahab. Kalimullah. Driving from the left. He takes. But the shot clock expires. Good defense there by Times. Kalimullah will be substituted by Muhammad Hamad. Sadis Pradhan looking for the pass. Mavinder Bhandari driving in and the shot blocked. Good rejection there. Hamad converts the two-pointer. Sadis asking for the isolation there. And he knows what should be done. And there's the travel violation by Muhammad Hamad. Times A asking for the timeout.
Timeout by Times.
Here, this one, the Sadis asking for the isolation and able to get that reverse layup. We can see the audience, the number of audience there today. The stadium is almost full today. A good number of presence of the supporters today. So now Manish with the ball, passing to Mabindra, and he draws the foul.
Pakistan Rivals, team falls 7.
He reaches
2 shots.
and commits the foul. And here is the team substitution. Hamad being substituted by Wahab. Mavinder Bhandari. He will be shooting for the 2 shots there. Under pressure, Mavinder Bhandari. He converts the second one. And there's a 2-point attempt. तर convert पनि हुन सकेन. Manish Casey. Mavinder Bhandari turns around. A quick shot there by Mavinder Bhandari. Zain driving in, using his size and power. He converts. Shreyas to Manish. Shreyas driving in, and he lets the floater, and he gets his own rebound. Manish Casey driving in, gets his own rebound again. He fakes, passes to Shreyas, and he steps through and able to draw the foul. So now Shreyas Bahadur will be going
Pakistan
for
rivals, Team Falls.
the 2 shots there. Shreyas for the first attempt. He converts, extending the lead of 4 points. Shreyas Bahadur not being able to convert the second attempt. Zain with the rebound. Zain actually. He will be using his size again, but not being able to convert, but he still not being able to convert. And for the third attempt, he puts back. Manish driving. Gets the layup and converts. Kalimullah to Wahab. And he converts using his size. Mavindra Bandari to Shreyas. Mavindra again driving in. Rejection there. But the shot clock expires. Kalimullah with the ball now. Muhammad Hamad tries for the long range shot, not being able to convert. Sadish Pradhan driving in. Manish to Sadish. And he converts the 2-pointer. Extending the lead. And there's he draws the foul. Then asking for the counted. And the basket counted.
Times, Team Falls 6. Flag on.
Now the both team are with the flag on. Now all the foul, every foul will go to the free throw line. And he converts. Manish with the ball now. Sadish takes the long range shot. And he converts again. Now it's the only last point to win this whole tournament. Zain dunking. Times they don't want to commit the foul and give 2 shots, rather giving them 1 point. As they are very close to the win. Manish, and there is the foul. Now there is the chance for Times to win this, the whole tournament.
Pakistan rivals, Team Falls 9.
Now Manish, they have 2 chances. He have 2 chances to make his team win. Now let's see, can he do that? Manish for the first attempt. But no, he misses the first chance. Now for the win, Manish Casey on the free throw line. Full of pressure on him. Can he make his team win? Manish Casey, second attempt. No, he misses the boat. And there he commits the foul.
Times, Team Falls 7.
Now Zain will get 2 shots.
2 free throws.
Zain. Hassan Khan on the free throw line. He converts the first one. Times need only 1 point to win. Not being able to convert the second one. Good rebound there by Manish. Sadish Pradhan asking for the isolation again. Can he repeat it again? Can he repeat it again? Pulls up. No, he cannot. There's Times are in pressure now. Missing the 3 shots. Offensive ball to Wahab. Good defense there by Sadish Pradhan. Sadish wants it again. Asking for the isolation again. The ball goes out of bounds. Shot clock, 3 seconds. There's the player substitution. Manish Casey, he really had the chance to make his team win, but he misses the both free shot. Shot clock 3 seconds. He pulls up. So yes, and he draws the fall. Could this be the end? So yes,
Pakistan rivals, Team Falls 10.
good offensive rebound there by Soyas Bahadur Shah. For the win, Soyas. And he does. And he does. Times. But he will be taking one more free throw, but that will be just for the formality. Times A did it. He misses the second one, but it doesn't matter. The winner of the 3x3 Nepal Basketball Championship, Rise of the Legend Edition 2, is the Times International Club, Team A. What a tournament, what an event there.
His Excellency Mishal bin Mohammed Al Ansari, you can step forward as well as ma'am, to give the trophy to our captain. Both of us, you can come forward, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, where is the sound? Team Times A, the winner of 3x3 NBC Nepal Basketball Championship.
Congratulations! Times A!